My name is Camila Frank-Thomsen, and I'm Application Marketing Manager for desalination for applications within marine and offshore. And today I will be talking about how you use seawater reverse osmosis in the process of delousing salmon. Within desalination, we have split the market, so we both supply to land-based facilities that can be hotels and resorts, etc. We also supply pumps and energy recovery devices for the marine and offshore industries, for offshore platforms or different kinds of commercial vessels. And we also supply to mobile applications. But today what we will focus on is the marine and offshore part. And more precisely, it will be about how desalination is used within the aquaculture industry. Yes, so let's kick off the topic for today. So salmon farming or salmon aquaculture is a growing industry that is driven by global world population growth. It's also driven by increasing consumer wealth, changing habits in dietary preferences, etc. Today, fish is actually the fastest growing animal-based food group, and more of the fish that we buy in the supermarkets and eat comes from farmed areas. A typical life of a farmed salmon, it starts in the land-based hatcheries where the fish begin their life. After growing to a certain size, the fish are then typically transported to these open net pens that are located in coastal areas. Here they will have a free flow of seawater that can enter the net pens, which creates a natural environment for the salmon. But of course, it also allows other organisms and parasites to enter these open net pens. One of these parasites is called the sea lice, and this parasite is particularly harmful for salmon as it can result in fish injury, diseases, or in worst cases, mortality. So yeah, treating sea lice is of course an ongoing challenge for salmon farmers all around the world. But luckily there are many ways to treat sea lice. For many years, chemical treatment has been the preferred and main method to treat sea lice. And though it is a very effective method, it also comes with other challenges, for example, chemical resistance or also environmental concern. So there are also more sustainable ways of treating sea lice. For example, you can treat them by thermal treatment, or another possibility would be to flush the salmon using this low pressure water jets. And though both are also very efficient methods, they can also cause fish injury or, in worst cases, cause mortality. So therefore, today we are focusing on another more innovative and gentle solution to treating sea lice and delouse the salmon, which is the freshwater treatment. By using freshwater treatment, salmon are temporarily removed from the net pens they are out in the open water and bathed in this freshwater bath. It is so that sea lice, they cannot survive in low salinity water, and therefore by getting the salmon into the freshwater bath, the sea lice will detach from the salmon. This mimics the natural process where wild salmon swim up streams to spawn, and in that process also shed all the lice they have. So by treating sea lice in this way, we are trying to mimic the natural process of how it happens in the wild. I also want to say that the freshwater treatment has no harmful impact on salmon, but also on the non-target species that can also be pumped into the freshwater bath. We have here made a small drawing of how it works. So what you do is you have these special kind of vessels, as you see here on the picture, called wellboats. These wellboats are equipped with a desalination plant. A desalination plant is where you pump water with high pressure through a membrane, and thereby produce fresh water. So you have two outputs. You have the brine output with the higher concentrate salinity, and you have the output, which is what you need here with the freshwater order pyramid. So as you can see on the picture, what you do is you pump seawater into the wellboats desalination plant. You are underwater, so of course you have a lot of seawater ready available to you. In the desalination plant, the freshwater is produced by this process I just described, which is called reverse osmosis, which is pumped into the well of the boat. Here you have this large freshwater bath, we have called it here on the picture, and then you pump the salmon from the open net pens out in the water into this where the fish are then in the freshwater. And as the sea lice cannot survive in low salinity water, they will therefore detach from the salmon. And then after the salmon are treated, you are able to pump them back into the open net pen to be there for the rest of the grow out period. And in this way, you are able to sustainably treat the salmons without the use of any kind of chemicals.